Hello guys, today I am going to discuss with you how to factorize four terms. In the last class, we discussed how to factorize two terms, and today we will discuss how to factorize four terms. And then in the next class, I will discuss with you how to factorize three terms. Let us start. Question number one, factorize, and they give us four terms: one, two, three, and four. There are four terms, and we have to factorize. The first step is you have to form pair. You have to form group. From the first two terms, you can form one group, and from the other two terms, you can form another group. From the first group, what is common? Because now these are two terms. So what is common from the first two terms? A is common. So what we will write inside the bracket? X plus 1. Similarly, from the other group, from the second group, what is common? B is common. We will take out. So what we have to write inside the bracket? X plus y. Till here, if you want to check you did each and everything correct, then you have to concentrate on the bracket. If this bracket and this bracket, if these two brackets are same, if these two brackets are same, it means you did till here everything correct. Now from these two brackets, as these two brackets are same, so we can take outside as common x plus y. And in another bracket, we have to write the outside numbers, this plus this, a plus b. That's it. This is the way how to factorize four terms. And if you want to check your answer, the factors are correct, then just do the reverse process, expansion. Do the expand these two brackets, expand these two brackets, and you will get the same question like this one, the same answer like this one, the same we did in how to factorize two terms. If after finding the factors, if you will expand them, your answer should be the same like question. Hopefully, guys, you understand this one. If you have any doubt or any confusion, you can discuss with me. Question number two, they give us four terms. So again, we will make pair. This is the first pair, and this is the second pair. And from each pair, now we can take something common, like from the first pair, what is common? A. So what we have to write inside the bracket? H minus A. What is common from the second pair? B, because B is here and here. So we can take B as common. What we will write inside the bracket? H minus K. And as I told you, if you want to check your answer, just check these two brackets. If these two brackets are same, it means till here you did not do any mistake. And the same bracket we will write one time. Yani H minus K we will write in one of the bracket. And in another bracket we have to write the numbers that are outside the brackets. So A plus B. So we factorized four terms and we got these two factors. And as I told you, if you want to check your answer, if you have time in the exam or in the quiz, you can expand these two brackets, and your answer must be the same like this question. Hopefully, guys, you understand. Do the practice. And if you have any doubt or any confusion, you can discuss with me. Take care. Bye. Question number three, factorize. And we can see they gave us four terms. This type of questions are important. Please, you have to concentrate properly. First, I will go the same like question number one and two. We will make or this group and this group, we will form two groups. And then we will check what is common from the first pair. From the first two terms, we observed that there is no common. There is no variable. Any variable is common, am and bm. So what you have to do in this situation, you have to rearrange the terms. You can rearrange the terms like m and an. Okay, you can bring this term here and you can shift this term here. We can rearrange the terms. So we will write here am plus an minus bm, and as this is going there, so minus b. And now we will form the pairs. From the first pair what is common, and from the second pair. We can see from the first pair a is common. What we have to write inside the bracket, m plus n. And what is common from the second group or second pair, negative b, because negative is also here and also with this b. So negative b is common. What we have to write inside the bracket, m plus n. As this is the important point and technical point, if you are going to take negative as common, okay, if you will take negative common, then you have to change this sign. If this is negative, you have to write as positive. If this sign will be positive, you have to write as negative. If you are going to take negative outside common, then you must have to change this sign. After this step, you can check your brackets are same, this bracket and this bracket. Yes, these two brackets are same. It means till here we did everything correct. So m plus n you can write in one of the bracket, and in another bracket we have to write whatever the numbers are outside, like a and minus b. So a minus b. This is the final answer. So sometimes in this question, why this is the important question? Because first we formed these two groups and we observed that there is no common, no variable is common, no number is common. So you can rearrange, you can shift the terms. You have to check properly that which term is suitable to take the common. So after rearranging, we observed that now a is common in this term, in these two terms, and in these two terms, negative b is common. So we took it out and we solved the problem. Okay. Do the practice of these type of questions. And if you have any doubt or any confusion, you can discuss with me. Question number 4, factorize, and again four terms. So the same like before, question number 1, 2, 3, we will make pair, this pair and this pair, and then we will see what is common from the first pair. Here we observed that two number and variable a is common. So we can take out 2 and a. What we have to write inside the bracket, x minus 1. From the second pair, b is common. But here the problem is I have to take negative b or positive b. So for this point, you have to concentrate on this. What is the sign here? Negative. It means this sign we need to change it. And how we can change this sign? You have to take negative b comma. Because I told you in question number 3, if you will take a negative outside, then you have to change this sign. As it is positive, so you have to convert this into negative. If you will take negative outside common, you have to change this sign. So as we took b common, so what we have to write inside the bracket, x and y. And we can observe from here that over two brackets are same. This bracket and this bracket are same. These two brackets are same. It means we did everything correct. Now we will write the same bracket one time, and in another bracket we will write outside numbers. that are 2a and minus b. So 2a and minus b. Hopefully, guys, you understand. Very technical point was if you have to take negative outside common, then you have to change this sign. Please take care about this issue. And if you have any doubt or any confusion, you can discuss with me. Question number 5. These are the past paper question of GCSE, GCSE, and O-level exams. The first four questions I took it from one of the textbook, and question number 5, this one is from past paper. Factorize four terms. So again, we will make the pair, this and this one. Then we will see what is common from the first pair. First, we have to concentrate what number is common. 3 is common, and the variable is y common. Then what we have to write inside the bracket? 18. The number here is 18. 18 divided by 3, 6. Minus 3 divided by 3, 1. And from the variable, we took y outside, so 8. From the second pair, what is common from here? From the number 2 and x. 2 is common and variable is x common. So what left inside the bracket? What is the number here? 12. And what you took outside? 2. 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2. What is the answer? 6. It means 6 you have to write inside the bracket. Minus 2 as 2x you took outside, so only a left with us. After this one, I give you the easier way to check if these two brackets are same. If these two brackets are same, it means till here you did not do any mistake. So the same bracket we will write one time, 6 minus a, or you can say we will take common. And what are the outside numbers? 3y plus 2x. We have to write in another bracket. That's it. We factorized four terms and we found these factors. These factors you have to write in the given space, in the answer space, 6 minus a and 3y plus 2x. Do the practice. If you have any confusion, please discuss with me. Question number 6. Again, this I took from your past paper exams. Factorize and four terms are given. So first we will make group the first two terms and from the second two terms. What is common from the first two terms? Xy minus 2x. So x is common. What we have to write inside the bracket? Y minus 2. Okay, what is common from the second pair? Number is also common, 3 and positive 3. Why positive? Because here is negative and here also negative. So these two sign must be same. Okay, I took 3 common. So what we have to write inside the bracket? Y. In the first position, we will write y. And in the second position, what is the number here? 6. 6 divided by 3, 2. After this, you will check your brackets are same. This one and this one, these two brackets are same. So we did everything correct. We have to write y minus 2. And in another bracket, we have to write x plus 3. This is the answer. These are the required factors of the given question. And in the answer space, if you will write y minus 2 or x plus 3, or you can rearrange the factors x plus 2 and y minus, sorry, x plus 3, x plus 3 and y minus 2. You can rearrange the factors, it doesn't matter. In multiplication, you can rearrange because 2 times 3, the answer is 6. And similarly, 3 times 2, the answer is the same 6. So in multiplication, you can rearrange the order. 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 will give you the same answer. Hopefully, guys, you understand. If you have any doubt or any confusion, please discuss with me. Question number 7, factorize completely. This is also a past paper question. So first we will try with the same pair in the same order. What is common from here and what is common from here. From the first two terms, the number 2 is common. What we have to write inside the bracket? A plus 4 divided by 2, 2b. And from the second pair, from the second group, negative is also common. Negative is there. Both terms have negative. So variable number is not common. Variable is x com. So what we have to write? A. And if you remember in question number 3, I told you in question number 4, if we will take negative as common, then we have to change this sign. Okay. So this is negative. We have to write this as positive and 2b. After this, you must have to check these two brackets are same or not. If these two brackets are same, it means you did correct. So we will write the same bracket as common. We can take common a plus 2b, and in another bracket you have to write 2 minus x. This is the final answer. But you have to write in the answer space a plus 2b and 2 minus x. As I told you in the previous question, you can rearrange the factors. It doesn't matter. Hopefully, guys, you understand. If you have any doubt or any confusion, you can discuss with me. Question number 8, factorize, and they give us 4 terms. This question came in the final exam for 2 marks in the external exam by GCSE or O level. Again, we will arrange first as it is given from the first pair, and from the second pair we will observe is there anything common. Okay, otherwise we can rearrange the terms, but here we observe from the first pair y is common. What we have to write inside the bracket? X plus y. And what is common from the second pair? Only number is common, and that is 2. 2 is common between 2 and 10. What we have to write inside the bracket? X plus 10 divided by 2, 5. After this, as I told you, always you have to check that these two brackets are same. If these two brackets are same, it means okay, you didn't do any mistake. You have to write the same bracket. You can take common x plus 5, and in another bracket you have to write the numbers that are outside this and this. So y plus 2. This is the final answer, and you have to write in the answer space y plus 2 and x plus 5. Hopefully, guys, you understand. Do the practice, and if you have any doubt or any confusion, you have to discuss with me. Question number 9. They tried to trick you guys. Simplify. They did not try to factorize. Be careful. Many students are not reading this statement properly. They will just see 4 terms are there and they will factorize and they give the answer. Simplify mean you have to add or subtract the like terms. Simplify, add, or subtract the like terms, not factorize. So first step, arrange and bring with each other the same variables. Here like 2p and negative p, you can combine them. 2p minus 5p and q. So negative q, negative 3q. Now we have to add or subtract the like terms because simplify mean add or subtract the like terms. So 2p minus 5p, what left? Minus pp. Minus q minus 3q minus 4q. That's it. This is answer. Minus 3p minus 4q. So whenever you are in the exam or in the quiz, please read the statement properly that what is written. Factorize, it means you have to make factors. Simplify, simplify mean add or subtract the like terms. What is the meaning of like terms? The terms that have same variable. Like 2p and 5p, negative 5p we arranged together, and negative q and negative 3q we arranged and we solved them. Hopefully, guys, you understand. If you have any doubt or confusion, you have to discuss with me. Question number 10, factorize completely. So be careful while reading the question. I told you in question number 9 it was written simplify, but the four terms were there. While reading the question, you have to underline or you have to take care the question is simplify or factorize. Factorize mean we will make pair, the first two terms and the second two terms. But we observed that from the first two terms, not variable and not number. Nothing is common between from the first two terms. There is no common. So what we have to do, we have to rearrange the terms. So I can bring this term here and we can shift this term here. We will write xy plus 5x and plus 3y plus 15. Now we will make pair from the first two terms. What is common? From the first two terms, x is common. So what we have to write inside the bracket now? Y plus 5. From the second pair, what is common? The number is common and that is 3. So plus 3, we have to write inside the bracket y plus. What is the number here? 15. 15 divided by 3, 5. After this, you have to check uh, the same bracket. This bracket and this bracket is same. Brackets are same. If the brackets are same, it means we did everything correct. We will write y plus 5 and x plus 3. This is the final answer. But we have to write in the answer space x plus 3 and y plus 5. Hopefully, guys, you understand how to factorize four terms properly. If you have any doubt or any confusion, you can discuss with me. Please do the practice. And in the next class, we will discuss how to factorize three terms. Take care. Bye.